G'day, Mick from Z Grills Australia here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Z Grills wireless controller to the Z Grills Aussie app. So firstly, go ahead and plug your grill into power and then press the knob once to wake the screen up. Next, let's open up the Z Grills Aussie app. If you haven't already, please go through the sign up process on the app to log in. So let's start by clicking on Add Device. Click on Z Grills Pellet Smoker and then search for device. Now, I have two devices here. The one that is in front of me, which we are going to connect to, is the 43. So what it's doing now is it's connecting to the device and it's going to give us a code on the screen, which in this case is 3645. Click on OK. Now we want to enter in the password for our Wi-Fi network. This needs to be the 2.4 gig Wi-Fi network. So if this says 5G at the end, it is definitely not the correct network. If you're not sure what this means, please check out our Knowledge Center, which explains a little bit more about 2.4 versus 5 gig Wi-Fi network. So I'm just going to paste in my Wi-Fi password and then click on OK. Now, if you don't have Wi-Fi, you can connect initially with just Bluetooth by clicking on cancel and it will work, but you will not be able to remotely monitor the grill when you're outside away from your house, and you won't be able to do any software updates. So certainly we recommend that you do connect with Wi-Fi. So once your password is put in, let's click on OK, and we'll proceed to Let's Start Z Grilling. Good work. You will see the grill has popped up here, and in a few seconds it will connect, and this icon here will change to a connected icon. You can see here it says fire up the grill, so we have to fire up the grill from the controller, not from the app. For the moment, we can click on that to get rid of it. You can see here my grill has already got the name Mick's Grill. Your grill will come with a serial number initially, so you can click on the little gear icon and then on rename, and you can give it your own grill name. So we'll call it John's Smoker and confirm. Okay, so let's go ahead and fire the grill up. You cannot fire the grill up from the controller. For safety reasons, you need to do it actually on the grill. So press and hold the control knob for 2 seconds to enter the menu, rotate one stop, and then press again on fire up. We can see now that the firing up message has popped up. We can click into manage the grill. We'll see the color here has changed from gray to yellow, indicating that it is firing up. The target temperature initially is going to be 75 degrees Celsius, and we'll see this gradually comes up. After 2 minutes, once the temperature has increased by at least 5 degrees Celsius, this status will change to red, and we'll get the fire lit notification. And if the sound is turned on, 3 beeps on the controller. At any time, you can click on shutdown to stop the fire up process. Okay, so the fire is now lit. We can click on the X to get rid of this message, and we'll see the color has changed from yellow to red. We can now go ahead and drag to our desired temperature in 5 degree increments, and then with the plus and minus button in 1 degree increments. If our temperature is above 110 degrees Celsius, we will not have any options with the stable temperature here. But if we drop it down below 110, we will see that we can change between stable, low, medium, and high smoke settings. Once we're finished with our cook, we can just click on shut down and confirm. Please refer to your owner manual, and even better, our online knowledge center for all the information on how to use the wireless controller.